So, daughter just come from Jamaica. I don't know what you this are busy.
She don't just come and alive.
How will she come? She come before there this morning. But I'm in sport of my grandbaby. My auntie send them up for me. Alright guys, me da ask them about the mango. See the mango them here. Me get some East Indian. And me get few June plum. Me get June plum we cut up and put in a bag to put in a freezer for make juice.
Some of them in my mind.
But me did want them here for eat. Cause we never sure we da go through. So now that me know, next time me I carry a whole 2 dozen. Get me better pack curry them. Let's have some East Indian and my auntie peel put in a bag, but them mash up. Me I forgot just use them make juice. Me get me DPH. Me get me 1 dozen wisdom toothbrush. Cause the toothbrush them up here now happen. You know what is? This what his name again? Dandelion.